Man, them skating board, isn't it?
Mama.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
I don't want to sit. I don't want to.
So, anyhow, we're just coming from Montego Bay to organize some stuff for the party. But we got a few things. Just came with Courtney. Nisha just went out to get some food. We're at Scotch's, our main stop whenever we leave in Montego Bay. Yeah. So we're just here waiting for Nisha. Courtney, say hi.
Hello.
Who you saying hello to?
No, I want to do video.
Who you saying to? The video?
Yeah.
Or the person's on the other side?
No, the video.
The video?
The video.
But anyways, it's 4 more days until the party, so we started organizing all the stuff that we can get from now, so that on the day
No, Russell.
we have just delivering food and all that. So yeah, and we stop at Wendy's to get a little food also. Yep. I'm hot, yo. See, as she come back, as she first thing, I put ice in my shirt. And then she can't get you,
Your teeth are sharp, you know.
Top tune.
We're on the road, getting stuff for this guy's party. The sun loves me. The sun's all up on me. In Mobay, getting some stuff for Ziggy's party. Ziggy's party is this Saturday, and his birthday Sunday. We don't know what we're getting him. Yes.
Should I say aye?
Are you excited for your party? Magic. See that? That's magic right there. He opens it with the palm of his hand. It hurts my face.
Bravo.
Shout out to the Corona. So I just came back from standing in friggin' heat for like almost 20 minutes waiting for pork for this guy. For Bay. Or Z-Fam. What are you? He said he's hungry. But yeah, we're heading back. This is gonna be a busy week.
Yeah, I'm pleased. But you have to take the biggest piece. We have to take the biggest piece.
And that biggest piece.
You can take that piece now? But no.
I pulled that for some time, man.
But you can have to take the biggest piece.
So I have to take the biggest piece.
I ordered bami for you. You want it?
That's okay.
It's so hot. Like these past couple of days been so hot. Like the sun just drains you. Like I have no energy to do anything. Bottom of the neighbor.
Come on! I bet you're laughing.
Oh my god! KJ, come here, come here. KJ, come here.
You can't catch me a day.
Oh my gosh.
A day.
You see what he has?
A day.
Watch your toe.
A day. Nisha, pass the mask.
Box it again. Box.
I'm inside the bush. Got the man them skate. Yo, me G, you are going? Yo, I'll make this. I wanna call this.
Skating board.
Man, them skating board, isn't it?
Mama.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
I don't want to get
So Jamaican play.
Yo,
Yo! Eh? Phone! Me know you say. The goat pan the car. Me a shoot that goat then. Let go man, boy. Let go. Go on again.
Come on, I got it. No.
Yo. I don't know if you can see. Yo, don't say how you want pan, like one leak like, but look at man in Tony, ball field. Shamil, you turn ball now. Are you the turn time boy now?
Mr. Shamil, the shot will make you put up score. Shamil, go ahead.
I tell you, say, yo, man, they make them own a playground. Them skateboard and them swing. But it's a Tarzan. Are you alone swing pan then? I see man them play ball field. So, who else I go? Yeah. So what your name?
Tarzan and the
What your right name? Come on, man.
Carl William.
Huh?
Carl William.
And what for your name?
Julian Thomas.
So what for your name?
Chado Barry.
Chado what?
Chado Barry.
Chado Barrett.
No.
Yeah?
Sherman. Yo. Tarzan. Yo. Go William.
Rainbow Bay picking up fish. Ziggy's fish ride this Saturday. So we just picked up, this is the box right here. Picked up 75 pounds of fish. 75 pounds of fish. Fish alone. Now we're just gonna get some food.
I get chicken. I get chicken.
We're going to KFC to get something to eat.
No, we're heading down.
Now we're in town getting some KFC. You're laughing at me? So we went to KFC and the line was long, like long.
Son of me.
The son doesn't want me in the video.
Get them out of this, get them in one bucket. But no water in that pipe. Bucket, put. Start with the bucket and the bucket.
Use the keys. Let me use one key and try.
Start with the bucket and bucket. Take up the other bucket and
Yo, birds, sit
put
down
them
now.
water.
I saw you go
Go in
on,
the
but
kitchen,
everything
feel
good,
nice,
man.
Go on. Go in the kitchen, feel
please.
Please, darling. This is how we do it in Jamaica.
This is how we do it in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Cut them belly.
We cut them belly. Bucket you take out them and fight my and you get the fish with it fast.
Hear me, no man. Hear me, no man.
Hear me, no man.
You don't take me time.
Hear me. Chilla, give
When
peace.
you jump fast, you come fast.
Yo, you see that
When
box
you
there?
take time, you stay
Pass
long.
the box there, yes, Anisha. Can you see right now, I'm in a foolishness.
I can't pull it.
Ziggy. Pass the bag, give me. Pass the bag, give me.
When me pass you, how you getting?
I'm going to see a fish already. Nice. Put him further, man.
Bucket, give me for that coat now.
Why you sit there and walk fast?
So like, Chilla, they make me for rip that girl already.
You can't.
So this is my mommy. Hi. We're just here closing up, you know. Anyways, just a quick glimpse of my beautiful mama. Show off those pearly white teeth. But yeah, this is where I get half my looks from, and the other half is from my dad.
And then no, most of all the better looks come from God.
Exactly. Yes. Amen to that one, sister. We're just out here. It's so hot outside. Like we're actually dying. We're sitting in the car in the AC.
Extremely hot.
But you're in a sweater. But the car is cold. That's why.
Baby,
Go girl. Get it. Get it. Bring it down now. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down.